List button. Double tap to activate.
Hey, hi guys, this is Nilima here. Uh, Today is the 10th of October 2021. Uh, this day is very, very important for me, very much important for me. So I want to celebrate this thing for me, this day with you, and I want to share some things with you. Um, Today in 2011, High Court had passed an order uh, about me to the college where I am working now, Chetna College, and to resume me again or to appoint me again on my job. I was fighting till 5 years for my job. Actually, they had arranged some walk-in interviews from the quota, handicap quota, and they had selected me for other tests where they had arranged. Um, they had arranged with the writers. They had only arranged the writers for it. Writing test they had arranged, and they had only arranged the writers for us. So I had given that test also. Then on that in that test, they had shortlisted some people for the computer test, where I was there, and then no, after the writing test means they had selected some candidates for writing test where they had arranged their writers on their own, our writers on their own. So we had given that exam. I don't know how many hours it was. Now I don't even remember. Then they had uh, took a test of computer where they had dictated some things or some words, I think, and I had typed. We had typed those words, whatever they were telling us. So someone had after that they had again shortlisted some candidates, and then they said that I want you for our job. We want you for our job. And some of the computer teacher who was there, now he is not there. He told me that I had selected you after seeing your computer speed. I recommended them to select you because I loved the way you were typing. So I got selected. I remember the date and even the day, Saturday, 20th November. They called me and they asked me to join. So I had given them joining report and all these things. Uh, and the 4th of December, Monday, we had got an appointment letter, proper appointment letter, that you are selected for our job and something like that. So I had started working, means I had started receiving calls and all. But at the same time, because I was also unaware about some things, so I had, and they were not ready to, you know, uh, spend the money for computer and my software. So I had installed a crack of JAWS. Someone had given me at the time. But then also they were not ready to give me some any kind of work and all. And this is how it had happened. So my eyes are closed. So the people feel most of the time that I'm sleeping, and they had said the same. And due to some of the arguments in the sense not from my side, they were asking me and I was telling them, but they called these are the arguments. So due to some arguments or something like that, they had given me one of the letter that we are going to terminate you from the job. You need not to come from the next day. It was happened in 20th of March 2006. Sorry, 7, because 4th December 2006 I had got an appointment letter, and 2007 I had got the termination letter. So I was in shock that why they had done, because they said actually there is a rule that we have to provide 1 month notice, but uh, take it as a notice also. So that was the biggest mistake from their side. And then slowly and gradually some of the people of federation like Prakash Pandagre and Vasant Hegde, especially Prakash Pandagre, I could go to the Pune PWD office, Samaj Kalyan, social welfare office, and fight my battle with the help of them. But then our officer, PWD officers also said that the college is correct, uh, they are not wrong, so your result is like they can't do anything, we can't do anything, they are correct on their point, so you have to accept it. Means their termination, you have to accept their termination. So then Pandagre and some other people said that we have to go to the High Court. It happens, I think, in 2008. I don't remember the date actually exactly, but maybe I had this letter. And then we had gone to the High Court, but then my advocate Chetan Agrawal, he was very sometimes means we can say somehow superstitious and something like that. That he was not taking work on the he doesn't take work on Wednesday. Okay, something like that. So he said, no, I don't take the work on Wednesday. So take work on the Wednesday. So we'll see something. And one of the day I said him that I think I have to leave this place, because if it is happening like this, once you will say come and again you will say don't come, then I think better I don't want to fight my with anybody. Whatever will happen, I will be going to accept it. And then it had happened that he said no, come, we will do at least, we will start at least for it. And then he took me into the High Court. He filled up my form and then took my thumbs. That time I was not signing, so he took my thumbs, and it had happened. Then we have said, "Chalo, dekhte hain. Let us see." And then in 2010, I went to Delhi for computer course. There in 2011, I got that an information that I have to come for the conference, which had happened in 15th of January something, 14th of January, no 15th of January, right? 15th of January there was a conference hearing for all the handicapped people, handicapped cases. Especially for because he had taken my case, Judge Mohit Shah had taken my case first. When he got that thing that without any reason they had terminated, they had not even given me the opportunity to speak, to do anything. So he got angry. Someone had told me like this. I think my advocate had told me like this, and that's why he had taken firstly my case, my case very first, and that hearing has gone. And after 10 months, I remember the date. There was 5th of October. First, had they had called us, but then judge was not well, so we got a date of 10th of October. But on that day, I had not gone anywhere because I kept in my mind that nothing will be going to happen, so why should I go? So because every time we say no, that courts are happening like that, this one in the courts, cases are things are happening like this. They give you the dates, and you know, you can you go there, and then you will get to know that uh, no, today case is not going to happen. Today nothing is going to happen. And it had happened me when I was going in Pune. Lot of time it had happened with me, where I had gone to there into the office, and the secretary was telling me that today case can't be happen because inspector is not there. So a lot of time it had happened. Even in the rain circumstances, means there was a lot of things were happening in Pune. Uh, you know, uh, hills were means वो पहाड़ गिरता था, इस kind of. So in that time also I was going to there, and then means train were not going, so I was going. Train was not running. Trains were not running properly, and I was going by the ST. But yet it had happened, means it was happening that I'm reaching to the office, and they were saying no, now cannot happen, so you have to go. So it had happened a lot of times, so I said no, I will not go, because I know what is going to happen. And then at 1 o'clock my advocate called me and said, why didn't you come? You know now there was your result today, so you have to be there. So come at 3 o'clock. And I came to there, and I went to there, and I got a result. I remember how the what can we say, media people were approaching me or my advocate, something like that. So that also experience I had. But this is how it had happened. And then on the 15th of October, college had given me an appointment letter, and today I have completed the decade for that battle. So I'm very thankful to the court, to the judge, for spreading some positivity in about the disabled people, and keeping positive approach towards the disabled people. And I hope that society will also accept this for society will also accept that we are also the part of society, so we have to contribute something. It is our duty to contribute something towards our society. So hope today I had talked for a long time, so hope you will listen to it and give your reaction. Thank you.
Swipe up to
ये
unlock.
recording चालू है ना?
Pause button. Stop button.